welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. So today I'm going to make a post review of this cross-stitch starter kit. So this is a Guardian Angel Boy. For first timer, I highly recommend you buy this kind of starter kit because everything that you need to start a new cross stitch will be in this package. So I bought this one at Country Craft in SM Cebu. So at the back you can see the symbol guide. The design area is 8.40 by 11.50 inches or 84 by 115 stitches. And it comes with 19 colors. So here's the symbol, color, ENC, that's the thread, anchor thread, and that's the code, and the color of the thread. Okay, so here's the pattern. So the symbols in symbol guide were the same in the pattern, and as you can see, symbols were printed clearly, so I guess you won't have trouble reading this one. And excuse me for the ballpen marks. I usually use highlighter, but this one is a glossy paper, glossy kind of paper, so I use ballpen. The starter kit comes also with the thread board and of course with the thread. So the thread board were already numbered and the thread were already distributed to its corresponding numbers, so no worries. And of course this thread matches in the symbol guide. And this one I decided to put the numbers beside the symbols so that I won't have trouble finding which one is which. They also included a golden metallic thread, and for this one I recommend that you use it very carefully because it easily unravels when inserting it to the Tapestry needle or inserting it and pulling it back in the hose. So these thread were also a 30 to 50% more, so no worries if you use more thread. Now here's the finished product. Ta-da! As you can see, the color is more alive. So the cloth is also included in the kit. So this is Aida 14 count cloth, Aida cream to be specific. And they also included a small Tapestry needle. So if you're a newbie and you will buy this starter kit, everything you need is here. So I like the finished product. Like I can see more details here than the picture. So guys, tell me in the comments if you like the cross stitch, and if you have suggestion, if you want me to make another one, then feel free to comment. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video.